Hey guys, it's Crypto Coin Investor. What a day for crypto. I mean, you guys won. We all won. If you bought in 2016 and 17 and did not sell during the pump, I mean here, well, it's your time now. And all of the coins are pumping. And in the previous video, I have explained why. So what you're seeing right now in front of you is this is the Bitcoin dominance chart. This is the weekly chart. And let me make it a little bit easier for you guys. So this is the weekly chart, and in the past videos I told you that Bitcoin is likely going to face a lot of resistance here, and the money will start flowing into altcoins. So first I had told you that the money will go into Ethereum, and then the top caps, the top caps like Ripple, Litecoin, the coins in the top 20, Cardano, Stellar Lumens. These are the coins that will pump, and this is what is happening right now. So the Bitcoin dominance, had this arrow was drawn in the previous video, and I told you that the first we will see a dip to around 63, and then we will go directly to the 59, and this will commence a mega altcoin season. And this is what you are seeing in front of you right now. So Stellar Lumens made a massive move. It touched 20 cents earlier today, and I've been a huge fan of Stellar Lumens, the technology, and this is what I had drawn back in October, maybe September, I would say. Yeah, so this is what I had drawn, and I had an idea this is going to happen because I was keeping an eye on the monthly. So this gives us a wider perspective of where the things are going, and I had told you that the MACD has flipped to the positive side, and this means the pump is due. What I had not seen, which I will admit, is this crash. This is the Polonius crash, which is a bit exaggerated, but it did dip down to 460s, 470, and it hung there for I would say 2 weeks or so. And everybody was scared. I had seen Twitter posts that Stellar Lumens is going to 0, 2 cents, and all that. Hey, this is the bottoming pad, and Stellar Lumens had been accumulating like any other coin, like Litecoin, Ripple. All of these coins from 2017, they were accumulating. Pre-2017, they were accumulating from 2015 to 2017. So these things take time. The pumps now are going to be, they're going to be faster. The reason is we have leverage trading now, and this also means you will see massive dumps as well. So if somebody opens a huge leverage position to short Stellar Lumens, of course, and a lot of people start shorting, and the shorts are successful, obviously it's going to dump like crazy. All the coins, and this means all the coins like Ripple, Litecoin, Stellar Lumens, Cardano, all these coins have leverage trading on all popular exchanges like Binance, FTX, and so on. So they have leverage tokens. This is why I think the bull market will be very volatile, very volatile. Yes, we will see pumps, and that is why you're seeing pumps like these right now. 73% pump in a day. I mean, this is crazy. What coin pumps so much? I mean, especially a large cap, this requires a lot of volume, and we have volume because these coins are now listed on Coinbase and exchanges like Binance. They have fiat gateways. So what do I see? I mean, if you have missed the train, just buy another large cap that has not pumped like this. So maybe you should buy Litecoin. Look at this Litecoin. It has pumped only 1% today. It's going to pump tomorrow or day after that, and you'll come to this video and you're going to thank me. It's not financial advice, but that's likely that is going to happen. The whales want to pump one coin by one, and once they are done with the major caps, the top caps, they'll move to the mid caps like Nano, like and this includes Nano, Komodo, and I'm not holding positions. I am holding all the boring coins, and I like to call these coins boring because they get a lot of hate on Twitter and Facebook for not pumping. And whenever you see a disbelief state, that is when they start pumping. So let me do some technical analysis real quick. So this is Stellar Lumens chart on the weekly, and the next monthly resistance is at around 2400 sats. That's quite far away from here, and this is, let me open the weekly chart real quick. So this is the weekly chart, and there's ample of space for RSI to go up, and MACD shows that the pump is just getting started. And once we are able to break out from this resistance cloud, this, by the way, this is the Ichimoku indicator, and once we are able to break out from this cloud, we are going to see massive pumps. People will think that this is a sucker's rally. It's not. And you can see that we have heavy resistance at around 1055 sats. But if we are able to break above this week or in any other week, the bots will come in. They are going to pump Stellar like crazy. And then the next resistance I see is at around 1600 sats, then at 2000 sats, and then at 2600 sats. So those are my near-term near-term, or I would say mid-term targets. Given the way market sentiment, I think it should not take more than a couple of weeks to reach 2600 sats. The FOMO can be real, and keep in mind that Stellar Lumens is on Coinbase, so a lot of fiat money can come in as well. And let's take a look at Ripple real quick. So Ripple, my God, this pumped even better than Stellar Lumens yesterday. But today is Stellar Lumens day. So this is the weekly chart, and these were the levels I had drawn earlier. You can see that we touched 80 sats. We came down. This is where I said you should take some profits. If you took some profits, you can still buy now. You can buy an entire bag and you still be in profit. So next resistance for Ripple I see is at around major resistance, not the little resistance. The next major resistance is at around $1.14, followed by $1.75. Let me open this Stellar Lumens USD chart. So what are my targets real quick? So we have already touched 0.16. That this was an area of higher resistance, and after that, let me mark some resistance areas for you guys. So next area, if you go by this chart, is at around 19 cents, which we are experiencing at the time of this video. After that, I see some resistance at 25 cents. After that, 30, and after that, 35. You can play around with this level and you can increase your bag and make some profit. 40 cents, 46. Now, honestly speaking, after 50 cents, there's not much resistance, maybe some at around 60 cents. So those are my levels. One thing to keep in mind is on the Stellar USD pair, the RSI is overbought. So keep that in mind. I mean, RSI overbought means yes, the dump, there is a possibility of a quick not dump would be an inappropriate word. I would say correction is imminent. So don't be surprised if you see a little bit of correction here and there. This will give you buying opportunities because the RSI show, the MACD clearly shows that we're just getting started. The pump is just getting started. So let's take a look at Dash real quick. All the boring coins. So this was drawn by me in the previous video. This is where I said we will see some resistance, and this is where we are right now at the time of this video. Once you're able to flip this, the next target is at around 0.008 and followed by 0.009. After that, 0.01. So Dash is looking great. Let's take a look at it. It's a USD. So Dash became a 3-digit altcoin today. Pumped really nicely. Bought some Dash earlier yesterday at around $83. So consider me lucky. You can see that we are testing the outline of this resistance cloud. I think next week or so we will see some retracement perhaps, but if we are able to close above this cloud, it will be really bullish. It's looking great. Let's see what other resistance to look out for. So next resistance is obviously at around $120, which is its price right now. After that, I see some resistance at $140. After that, 178, and then at 253. So you can play around with these levels if you want to cash out or want to convert to stable coins. $386 next resistance level. So I'm basically telling you all the long-term targets as well. So mid-term and long-term targets, you have all of them in this video. All I want from you guys is a like. That's it, nothing else. Next target, 896. Can you believe it? 896. And then at 1,300 freaking bucks. Can you believe it? That was around $1,600 in the last cycle. It took it a while, didn't go up in a straight line. So let's see. Let's take a look at Ethereum Classic. I bought a bag of Ethereum Classic yesterday because nobody was buying it, and I had seen its bottoming formation, and I thought that this is the only coin which has not pumped. So I bought some Ethereum Classic. I clearly see this is the Ethereum Classic BTC chart. So yeah, I clearly see it touching 48,000 sats in the coming week or so. The pumps are going to be huge on this because people have given up on this coin. People think it's a dead coin. It's not. It's not a dead coin. A lot of DeFi projects are going to be ported on this. And then 58,000 sats. After that, we have heavy resistance at around 92,000 sats. And these are my midterm targets for Ethereum Classic. And which one? So let's take a look at Bitcoin Cash, a coin which everybody likes to hate and secretly owns. I don't know. So next target for it for this is $450. But for that, we must close above this level, which is $350. So yeah, some resistance at around $600 then. And then later on, if we are able to cross $600 on the Bitcoin Cash USD pair, I will tell you the other targets. So hope you found this video useful. Stay vigilant and take the most of this opportunity. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. These accumulation periods are going to get longer and longer in the future, and the pumps are going to get fiercer. The whales are not going to give much time for you guys to accumulate again if you miss the train. And this is what is happening on the Stellar Lumens chart. It pumped violently earlier today. Let me show you the 4-hour chart, which basically tells you if you had not bought under 10 cents or at 10 cents, the whales do not want to give you another chance. So coins like Stellar Lumens and Ripple, they're very liquid. They're very easy to trade. They are on every exchange out there. But the whales clearly do not want to give second chance to people. So keep that in mind. And these pumps can end very fast. So if you have missed the train on Ripple and Stellar Lumens, there are plenty of other coins to look out for. And yeah, there are opportunities everywhere right now. Next will be the mid caps and then the small caps. Okay, that's all about it. Give this video a like and share with your friends, and stay subscribed for more cryptocurrency and ICO news. Bye bye.